Choose life. Choose a family. Choose a big television. Choose trading. Choose a trend. Choose an indicator. Expiry. Call or put. Choose profit. Okay, what's this all about? We both know bears push prices down and bulls pull them up. What bull's power does is it estimates how strong the bulls are, showing how far they can move the prices up, or if they're starting to lose ground to the bears. Bears' power, logically, does the opposite thing. Alright, makes sense. Now, how do we use them? Let's take a look at a few examples we have for you and try to answer this question. First, we open the Indicators tab and select the right instruments. As with all oscillators, bulls and bears power open in separate windows and act as any other oscillator would, giving signals to enter the market. Here's what I want to say right away. It's important not only to compare the two oscillators' lines to each other, but also analyze market conditions and use other instruments to identify trends, for example. MAG would be a great choice for that. Or knees. Mine hurt when it rains. Or when my crypto portfolio plummets. Yeah. Anyway, let's see the bulls and bears power in action. And we're starting with this GBP USD. Even without looking at any indicators or oscillators, it's clear that the bulls and bears are trading actively. The candlesticks here go up and down constantly. Now let's take a look at our indicators. The bulls line was above zero and above the bears line for a long time, and now it's going down. This tells us that the buy volumes are going down as well. We see the opposite situation with the bears line. It starts to grow from zero, indicating growing sell volumes. The chart itself shows us a double peak pattern. Being a reversal pattern, it suggests that the market should soon go down. The same thing is indicated by our MAG. All this taken into account, I enter the market with a 5-minute put option. That's about the gist of analyzing the market that way. As a quick recap, there are two lines and we need to find how and where they're different. And of course, never forget about market analysis in general. Meanwhile, the trade turns us a profit, and we move on to the next one. A very similar case here with this GBP JPY. And the first thing that we see here is that the market is trading in a downtrend. It was going down towards this low for some time, then rebounded and went till the resistance. Let's take a look at our oscillators next. Everything just as with our first trade. The bulls are losing ground, the bears are gaining it, and the prices are quickly going up. That's a 5-minute put if you ask me. By the way, if you have any questions about the trades we show on this channel, or if you want to learn more about market conditions or trading in general, feel free to check out our Telegram channel. We do our best to update it with the latest thoughts and ideas, trades, and market analysis and information on patterns and strategies. Hope to see you there. That being said, let's move on to the next trade. Here, we see almost an opposite situation. The market's trading in an uptrend with a continuation pattern. Made symmetrical triangle. I guess you can say why it's called that way, just by the way it looks. And yes, it's a continuation pattern, as I already mentioned, meaning that the price is likely to continue going up. As my old man used to say, it's just a form of consolidation. Next, we'll look at our oscillators lines. What do they show? The buy volumes are going up, while the sell volumes are starting to go down, opposite to what we saw before. A 5-minute call option it is. Let's see where the price goes next. And the price goes exactly where I wanted it to. A perfect trade if you ask me. Alright, what next? Next, we have a similar trade for you. Just as last time, the market's trading in an uptrend. MAG stayed in the oversold zone for a while, and now it's going up. And our oscillator lines indicate that the bulls are dominating over the bears. Here's the dominant upwards movement, and here's the uncertain bears line. The right way to enter the market here would be with a 5-minute call, and that's exactly what I do. 5 minutes later, we turn a profit. Still, I have to warn you, sometimes you will face what I did with this AUD-CAD. It's trading in a downtrend with MACD indicating that the price will go down. The candlesticks are trading in a channel, so the doubts are no more. Except for just one little thing. Just take a look at our oscillators, and we see that both our lines are below 0. What now? No panic. It happens. What we do in those cases is we just compare how confident our bulls and our bears are. Looking at it that way, we see that the bears are the winners here. Sell volumes are going up, so the market will likely go down. And that's a 5-minute put. Well, what'd I tell you? Alright, I think it's time to wrap it up for today. And in fact, that's all I wanted to say in this video. Just remember, the trend is not forever, but we will always be happy to see you on our Telegram channel. See you very soon. New videos are just around the corner. And as always, stay safe and be in touch.